Okay, here's problem number 21 from section 9.4. We want to find the radius of convergence. Ding, ding, ding.
Ratio test.
All right, so let's go ahead. Applying
Ratio test. That's
Close
embarrassing. That's very embarrassing.
Okay.
Limit as n approaches infinity of
Absolute value
absolute
of
value x plus pi raised to n plus 1 over root n plus 1
That's exactly what you did.
times root of n over x plus pi raised to the n.
Did I set that up right? So n plus 1 term multiplied by the reciprocal of the nth term.
So you've got x plus pi on top.
Okay, between these two terms, nothing but an x plus pi. On the top.
Nothing but a
Okay,
g
and then over here we got root n divided by root n
yeah,
plus 1.
you can't reduce that.
No, you can't reduce it, but when you apply the limit, what happens?
Goes to 1.
Because when n gets,
When n gets huge, square root.
Oh, they had a homicide detector over in that class, so the psychology class wanted to.
oh, okay, all right, now I know. All right, so
Homicide
when you apply
detector.
the limit, root n over root n plus 1, the plus 1 matters
Disappears.
squat,
So it
this
doesn't-
turns
Goes
into a
to
big
1.
1, and what you're left with is
X plus pi.
x plus pi. Absolute value of x plus pi is the result of that limit. Taking that value up here, absolute of x plus pi
Less than 1.
less than 1.
So then you got negative 1 is less than x plus pi. It is less than 1. So you've got negative 1 plus pi, or negative 1 minus pi. Negative pi minus 1.
Or minus pi.
Okay? So to summarize, this series converges when x is between these values, negative 1 minus pi,
As a radius.
and 1 positive 1 minus pi by ratio test.
Therefore, radius of convergence equals
What's the center?
pi.
Pi.
Pi. No.
Center
No,
is
center
one.
is
No.
Is one.
It's 1 plus.
center is
No.
Wait,
If you keep on guessing randomly, perhaps you'll hit it.
One.
Okay, wait. Stop up. The center is the value of x, which is going to make that expression 0.
Oh,
It's
negative
minus pi.
Negative pi.
Negative pi. Okay, so what's the radius of convergence from, if I've got negative pi and I go down?
That's one. Which actually answers right there.
I said
Yeah.
one.
I didn't pick it up.
Right, but
wait.
we're looking at it, we're not
Seriously.
guessing.
Why don't we just think
Well, you
that's
look at,
four?
right, but the thing is, I didn't ask you what the radius was. I asked you what the center was so that we can look and see this other way to look at the radius. Got a big assignment, hard assignment, get it all done. All right? Get it all done over the
We
weekend.
have a question on that one. So why did we why did we simplify the square root and square root and plus 1? These are they different terms?
No, well, no. When the n gets in really big, this plus 1 doesn't matter much. And essentially what you have is square root of n over square root of n, which goes to 1.
Yeah.
That's why
Okay.
all that's left is that multiple. All